Good afternoon, everyone. Those who are already here, please confirm that. Yes, Sharmaji.
Sir, everything is fine?
Yeah, I think it's working fine. You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir. You should start now.
And let's wait for some time. Let's other to join. We start at 4:42.
Okay.
So slideshow is available. So guys, as I won't be able to see your chat, so after completion we'll take question answer. Just confirm in our WhatsApp group that my screen is visible. Probably you are able to see my presentation. Can someone please confirm? Can someone please confirm that are you able to see my PPT? And stop sharing now, but earlier you were able to see my PPT. Just respond on chat. Yeah, Sudhakar ji. Hello. Fine, fine. Okay. So let's start. It's already 4 o'clock and we got sufficient participant. Yeah, I'll just restart my PPT. Start back. Like what's happening if whenever I start sharing PPT, I'm not able to see chat or maybe this. So I probably would assume that you're able to see my PPT when I share. Okay, welcome all. Uh, it's actually thanks to Bhupenerji to give me this opportunity to present this reversal strategy to you. So myself, Kalpesh, I just give you my brief introduction. So I'm based out of Ahmedabad and I did 20 years of corporate job entirely into sales. So after completing my MBA in 2001, I joined corporate and saw various corporate at various places, majority into loan division. So all kind of loan, whereas property loan, home loan, everything. And when I turned 40, I decided to probably I need to sit back or stop. So I took a voluntary retirement at 41 and currently 44 last 3 years. I'm now retired and doing something of my own and a full-time market trader and learner. So this will be brief introduction. Yeah, before presenting, just want to a disclaimer that I'm not an expert. So and anything to be discussed in this, when any share or maybe any sector, just take it as education purpose only. Let's start. So we enter market where we have two options: either we go to investing or we go to trading. Investing usually categorized into value investing, where you look for value in the company, lower share price, lower P, and then you enter into the company. There are other type of investing, which is a growth investing, where people is not look about pricing, they go for the growth. How much growth in the company, they are ready to give higher prices if growth is there. And in between there is gap growth along with reasonable pricing. Growth at reasonable pricing, which in they go for growth, but yeah, they look for a reasonable pricing. In investing, if you want to enter any stock, you need to do a fundamental study of the company. You need to go to the result, quarterly result, yearly result. You need to compare last several 10 years or maybe 5 years results. You check whether company is doing any additional capex or maybe going to new geographies or not. If that sector is performing or any tailwind. Yeah. Or you study the economy, probably what kind of economic cycle is there. So you invest basically looking at all these fundamentals. On the other side, you have trading. In trading, you have FNOs, which is derivatives, very risky product. You got intraday, where you buy today, sell today only. Then you got swing trading, where you buy a stock, hold it for a week or a month, and then you make profit or loss and then you move out. And then you have positional, wherein you buy for slightly longer duration, which is 1 month, 3 months. Okay. So only you're able to see only first slide only. Welcome slide. I think this is a new to me also. Now you're able to see this second and third slide. This slide. As I'm not able to see your chat, somebody need to confirm your WhatsApp. Are you able to see this market flow chart? Okay, okay. Okay, so currently I'm on this market slide. So Sudhakarji, please confirm that are you able to see that market slide? Fine, fine, fine. I think give me a minute, guys. Okay. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Okay. But હું presentation મોડ પર છું તો મને આ દેખાતું નથી પાછું તમારા chat screen માં. Okay. Over just a moment. तो entire screen करो कि Windows करो कि Chrome tab करो share. हाँ. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. हाँ हाँ thank you. હવે દેખાય છે સ્ક્રીન ને હવે આવે છે ચેન્જ થઈ છે સ્લાઇડ. Okay. 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 Fine. Thanks. Sorry guys, actually this is new to me also. Yeah, so this is basic actually. Where in trading we do all kind of intraday and swing and the position trading. But in trading we do entry. There are different ways of trading probably. Somebody do breakout trading. When market is actually on a all-time high, or when market on the bullish side, you got so many trade based out on breakout trading. So in breakout trading, what we do is, yeah, in breakout trading, what is, suppose stock is moving in sideways channel, you can draw a resistance and a support. So wherein stock bisect this and goes higher, that is a breakout. Or even when you do a cup kind of prices going down and going again coming up and break this, we call this is a cup pattern and this is a breakout. So you do breakout trading, many traders do breakout trading, or a pattern maybe probably there's another many kind of pattern. There's cup pattern, then there's 2T cup, then there's a 3 VCB pattern. Somebody do breakout of this. So and many people do candlesticks also. Wherein candlesticks you have a little bit of knowledge of candle, and on the basis of candles are again very popular if you are trading with another charting maybe. So wherein you got the option of candlestick. So basis candlestick pattern also you can trade. You can make your entry. And another is probably a reversal, which we are. Reversal actually help breakout, patterns. Reversal is an additional tool probably wherein you can catch the stock at the bottom. Here you can catch instead of breakout, you can catch it here. In this case, probably you can catch it here or maybe here. And this reversal at this moment is very important because probably this year we'll have lot many stock which will test their resistance, support and go back. So probably if you know this reversal trading, probably you can catch it here. Okay. So as I said, that why this reversal? Trading or investing, probably you can use it in trading also. You can trading, as I said, that probably you can use it for swing trade. You can use it for a short-term trade, or you can trade it for a positional trade also. And for investing also, if you catch any stock at the bottom, probably which is the best time to the best price to invest also. Majority of it, money is made wherein you can able to catch the stock at the bottom level. So why actually, as I've said, that is an early entry, you can catch the stock. At the lowest level, the stop loss is also lowest. The stop loss is also minimum. Probably in breakout trading, you got a very big candle, and if you have a stop loss below that candle, your stop loss is on a higher side. In this, no indicator required, but yeah, if you use indicator, it can enhance your probability. It's again a game of probability. If you have an indicator, you can know how to use that, and not much knowledge, you can have a basic knowledge of candlestick, and you can do it. You can catch the bottom, as I said, that you can catch the bottom with reversal trading, reversal trading. And this is an alternate option to know that probably every time market doesn't move in a single direction. So when direction up, you can do all this momentum kind of trading, breakout trade. But if the cycle turns down, then you at least additional bearing you can trade here also. You should not wait market to cross this. Again, some antithesis that are probably why you should not do. Actually, it's very frustrating and patient testing. In breakout, price movement is very fast. Here, nobody wants to buy. It's very dull area. There is no indicator showing probably you need to buy. Again, you have multiple stop losses also, wherein you thought that stock will move from here, but sometimes stop loss hunting, you can see that probably stock again make a new low and then goes up. So stop losses will be there, and again trade against the market. When market is selling, you are buying. These are some entries. As I said, requirement is little bit of understanding of candlestick, which we'll do it today. Again, this usage of scanner, I have said that to find the stock probably you need scanners, which also I have provided in my Excel also, and I reshare in the group today. So yeah, let's go to candlestick. I know this would be a repetition for few of us, but yeah, but it be that for a new, maybe a newbies or maybe who don't have a proper understanding of candlesticks, they'll understand something, and for those who already knew, can have a refresher kind of thing. So candlestick, probably what we see in a candle, that candle is, you got a candle, a body, yes mentioned. This is called body, and this is called upper wick, this is called lower wick. So if price opens, so 9:50 when market opens, if price was there at this place, and then price traveled down, make a new low, then price again moved up, make a new high, and then again at 3:30 price settled here, and it's a close. So if open is lower, open is here, and close is on a higher upper side, then the candle color would be green. Vice versa, if open is higher side, suppose 9:15 markets open here, then goes up, make a new high, then goes down, make a low here, and then closes here. So open is above and closes down, the color would be red. This is basic. This is body of the candle. These are shadows or wick, upper shadows or lower shadows. This is a large body candle. This is a small body itself. You can see that, wherein the price traveled a lot, but open and close is nearby. This is a wide range, and this is a narrow range candle. And as I said, that this is upper wick. If you don't know wick also, then probably you can see that when price was here, open here because right candle. Price opened here, and when it goes up, so bear came the selling pressure and moved it down to this, and price finally closed here. So upper shadow shows that probably the bears are heavy on that given day, and lower shadow means that probably price opened here and again goes up till here, but again bulls come up and finally closed here. So where bulls are little bit heavier, not that heavy in this example, but yeah, bull was able to close, get this price up at this place. When bulls and bear both are indecisive, we got this kind of candle which is called doji, wherein open and close it at the same place. Price open here, goes up again, then goes down, and then it close here. This is a doji candle, and wherein if price open here and goes up till here, this is a new high, and then again seller came and price closed at the same level. This forms is again a doji, but we call it a gravestone doji. Means bears are more heavier. Here the reverse, bulls are more heavier. So we call it the dragonfly doji. The basic only, not much knowledge is required to trade this. So we'll take a question later probably. So you can tell me that if you have any question related to this, probably we can sort it later. So there are kind of pattern, reversal pattern probably where there is a continuation pattern and then there is a reversal pattern. There is a bullish reversal pattern. So bearish we are not talking because we don't promote or we don't want to do any F&O or intraday kind of trading wherein these bear or maybe F&O where we do bearish kind of reversal. So where you sell first and then probably will be buying later. So we are not much interested into this. This is again opposite of bullish only, but we are more interested into bullish reversal because we have to catch when the stock is going up. So most common is the doji, which was there earlier. If you find a doji, probably that's the best. Second is you find a hammer. This is called a hammer. By picture also you can see that this is a body and this is a lower wing. When a price is coming from down and then a hammer came, and from here the price goes up. This is a single candle reversal pattern. Inverted hammer is also true. Price is coming down and then a inverted or a reverse of this. So hammer usually have a body and a wick is twice the size of the body. Twice the size of the body. So you can read it or you can have a more clearly from end of the YouTube video. This is very basics probably you will find everywhere that this kind of candlestick pattern forms. Second pattern is bullish engulfing. The price came from here and then this red candle formed. This is the body and the wick. Second day, a big green candle engulfs this. Engulf this. That's what we call it. And then price goes upward. So this is again reversal pattern. Then we got piercing. This is not full engulf, but again price was coming down, and again price at least half of this close above half of this previous candle. If it completed it, then probably it would be engulf. But again, at least half also will do. We got it a piercing pattern. Again, the price will. These are single candle. This is also doji is also single candle reversal. These are two candle reversal wherein you need two confirmation probably. So you need two candle to form a pattern. Then you got bearish, bullish harami and bullish harami cross. Both are same probably, but here you got a candle where inside you will form another candle. Or if you won't find this candle, you can have a plus also, or maybe doji also. This is a bullish harami and bullish harami cross. I have given a maybe a chart of this also. You can take a color printout and you can keep it at your notice board until you are able to see this pattern frequently or your eyes got accustomed to find these kind of candles. Another is morning star where price was coming down. Then there is not a inverted hammer but small candle, and then next candle started forming green. Yes, the close over here, another close over, a little bit of a gap up is there. So these are three candle pattern. There is a morning star, we call it morning star. Name is not that much matter, just look by the probably would be your eyes would be like that, yeah, probably this was a flow and probably here all the seller got exhausted and then a big candle came and then the stock started its upward journey. The last pattern is tweezer bottom, wherein you'll find the stock was coming down and then the next candle and the previous candle low is same. These are tweezer bottom candle. Opposite of these are mentioned here, but as I've said, probably we are not interested in selling stocks or maybe shorting stocks. So we'll go for bullish reversal candlesticks. These are basically what these 3 and 3 A and 4 and 4 8 and plus this doji is 9. 9 pattern we need to remember. Where to find this candle? Reversal area where you should look for this candle. So if price is coming down or maybe moving here, if you find candle here is not a valid reversal candle. It should be at maybe at the previous swing or double or triple bottom. With example that probably price hit come here again hit. This is a kind of a resistant form. So this is previous swing low. So if again price goes up and goes at the same level, so this is called a swing low. This swing low, and if we found any pattern here, we are more interested. Again, price goes up. Again, if price fine. So at the swing low, if you find any of this pattern, we are more interested to do the trading from that level. Another levels are important levels are moving averages. So every stock has its own maybe uh, pace or maybe we all know that market is we don't try market. So market is driven by institution or we call it maybe operator. So usually they follow every stock follows some or the other pattern. Usually 50 moving average or 200 moving average are considered to be the best support for the stocks. So as you see in this, red is a 50 moving average and this blue is, we'll see an example in trading view also, but just for the sake of understanding. So a price moves again for a mean revision, it comes to this. Again, it comes to this. Again, price goes up and again takes support and goes from there. So these support areas are also important. We can find these kind of reversal candles. Or if someone is doing good with marking trend lines, so in trend lines also, suppose we draw a trend line like this, and if stock comes here, it's not the bit stock comes, and again stock comes at this line, and here if you find some pattern, then probably we can do reversal trend from here also. Okay, so let's do some practical. Before that, let's see that probably if anybody having any question till now. I'll stop sharing. Yeah. Yeah, Jyoti ma'am. Those who have a question, please raise the hand. I'll unmute you and probably we can discuss. Jyotiram, do you have any question? Anyone, anyone having any difficulty to understand up till now? With a one-way communication, I understand that there will be some question between, so I'll take a pause and let's have if any questions are there. If there's no question, just confirm that there's no question. All clear. Jyotiram has no question. Anyone? Okay, no issues. So let's go to practical now. So someone need to confirm that my trading view is visible to all. Confirm me in WhatsApp group at least, because I'm not able to see the chats. I'm not able to move forward if somebody, at least someone need to confirm me. Okay, fine. So as I said that probably we look for these kind of candles. Correct, correct. Fine, fine, fine. Thank you, thank you. So we want to find out that probably if these kind of candles are forming at maybe, okay, let's do one thing. First, let's create this kind of setup and then we'll see that. So what if anybody has logged in from laptop, they can do along with me also. So let's have a new. So this is a new trading view screen wherein I have said that you need to have a basic understanding of indicator that will enhance your probability to select a best quality trade. So in indicator, so first indicator will which is moving average. In moving average, you can have three moving average, but you can have this single indicator wherein you can keep four moving average together. So this indicator we are plotted. No, not this one. This moving average ribbon. This is a moving average ribbon. Okay. So here these four are plotted. So we do some changes just to have a good visibility of this. So as you say that this is simple moving average. There is no average, there is no term. These we are not using. This simple moving average. We should keep it simple. So there are four simple moving average plotted here. One is 20, 50, 100, and 200. So we are on a daily chart wherein we can see 20 moving average means is an average of last 20-day price. So price moved from 1 to 20 in 20 days, and average of this is 20-day moving average. Similarly, 50-day moving average is average of 50, average of 100, and average of 50. So basically, we are more interested into 1500 because 50 is a almost 3 months, wherein you got 3 months time duration, and wherein 200 you get an entire year pay, average price. So these are two moving averages. Which are majority of stocks take support because every stock goes for a main revision. Yeah, sorry. So any stock goes up need to come down. So during coming down, so at short term they can take a support at 50, or maybe in 3 months they can take support at 50, 100 or 200. That's the inference we can draw from this. So 20 we don't require, but we can keep it 10. So we can at least have 15 days. We can do this color as a green. Then 50, yeah, 50 we require, we can keep it as red. 100 not required. 200 we can keep it as blue. Okay, and just have a little bit bigger size. Sorry. Fine. So moving average is important. So red is shorter moving average, which is a 10-day moving average. The stock will not take support at this. Maybe if the stock is in very good uptrend, then probably take a support from this. This is for a different purpose. You can just ignore it for the moment. Yeah, 50 is important. Stock takes supports, and again this take as a resistance also. If the stock is coming from down, we'll take resistance at 50 and 200. So these are 50 is red, 200 is blue, and green was this 10 moving average. Hope up till now I am clear. And again, we need to give little bit leeway that this, if something taking support or maybe resistance from this moving average, at least 2 to 3% is okay. If stock goes down by this is okay. We can take this as a support until up till 2 or 2.5% kind of. Yeah, but it's more than 2, so we'll not consider it as we'll consider it as a break or a break of trend. Second, again, you can have RSI, which is very famous and popular. I usually have this in my all learning. RSI and MACD. MACD also you can keep. So in RSI, usually I prefer 60-40 instead of 30-70. This is upper band of RSI. Just keep it 60, and lower band of RSI will keep it at 40. So this RSI is also plotted, and we are not doing any changes with MACD. These are just only that probably if we can enhance our probability to have a better quality trade. So this you can save as a template also. You can save this for a future reference, give it any name, and from here you directly you can go to this kind of, or you can have a favorite also, and that will be visible, or you can save it as here also, give some name, and you can save it here also. So from here you can change any recipe that. So we are ready to go, and in that Excel I have given one extension, also Google extension. If you're working on a Google, so one Google extension is there, which is bonus charting to trading view. Just to make our life simple, we need not to copy anything from, because all our scanners are in charting, so we need not to copy the data and go to trading view again. We can directly go from charting to trading. So this helps. This extension helps for people to go from directly from a charting to trading view. So you can install that. The link already given, I've given in the Excel. So ready to go? Yeah, these are few examples I've taken. So Bajaj. So Bajaj again, as we see that it has taken support here. It has taken support here. Again, it's a breach. Two-day movement is not a breach. Maybe market condition will be there, then it will go to, we can take this as a support. Here actually it got broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Here it got broken. Again it crosses, and again now it's at currently Bajaj is Hindustan is at 50 moving average support. And as you see that here we got a bullish, sorry, a reversal pattern called, can anyone name it, chat box or an, yeah, it's a bullish Harami pattern. Wherein this, so tomorrow what we need to see that if opening is higher than this or stock opens here and goes higher than, probably we can make an entry with the stop loss of low of this or maybe low of moving average. Again, a disclaimer is not a recommendation. I am just telling that probably how we can take a trade. So above this we can trade. We can keep this as a stop loss, this moving average, or if you're very conservative, you can take this as a. As I said that our stop loss is very minimal. Here our stop loss is coming as 3.13%, and we can look for a target up to this swing high, previous swing high, which is almost how much? Yeah, which is 20% higher than this. Against 3, you can get a 20. Exit strategy, I can you can have your own also. What I follow, I'll just let you know that probably. What I do with a single tranche. I don't do upward averaging. I'll do it a single tranche, but I'll split my entire capital into 20 or maybe 40 different stocks. So my exposure to one stock would be, you can say, less than 3 or 4%, or maybe max 5% you can take. So 5% on a single shot, I'll take an entry here. And as it'll give me 1:2 or 3. Here I got 1:2 or maybe 1:3 on a metal. Here I got 1:3. I'll book by 50% profit here. And then rest of the 50% I'll keep, like, let it hit my stop loss or maybe my buying price again. So I'll make it travel maybe on a higher side, maybe up to this, or if you want to go even higher, I'll forward this. I'll take, so I already got 50% profit of this probably. If and remaining 50%, if I move in a cost also, not an issue. Probably with 3% loss also, I'm okay. But you can have your own understandable. If you are happy with 1:3, you can withdraw. If you're following any moving average, someone follows probably if stocks come lower than 10 moving average, then you can exit. I also follow 10 moving average also, but I'll not exit at this point. The closing is less than, I'll exit at this point. The candle should not touch moving average, should be not touching that 10 moving average. So that exit strategy also you can follow. So this is an example of moving average. Here we can see this stock. See, this is not taking support at 20 or 40 probably. So if I find anything here, I'm not interested. If I find anything here, I'm not interested. Because this stock only once here also it breached and here also it breached. Now it's act as a resistance. Now again it's broken, but I'm not interested in that. I'll see that probably, yeah, any previous low is there or not. This is the lowest. If stock comes again to this level, and mark this level. So if stock comes again to this level, I'll be then looking at the probably is forming any candlesticks or not. Bajaj Finance again a very good candle, but no relevance. See, this is a hammer kind of pattern where more than two is the wick. Slight upper wick is okay for hammer, and above that you can take an entry here. But it's there's no pivot available. There's no support of any of the moving average, so I'm not much interested. Probably you can if you are trading based on an RSI. So RSI if goes above 40, currently RSI is 37. If it goes up above and if MACD is also crossing. If you are taking call basis this, also you can take this as a trade, probably maybe day after tomorrow when it crosses. Because usually momentum comes only after if the RSI crossed 40 or if RSI is traveling in between and cross 60. If RSI is below and if it's crossing 40 or if RSI is between and then crossing 60. This is again a trade wherein you won't find any support. Um, we can keep it in the work list. This is the previous. So again, as I've said that if you have taken trade here, if you have taken trade here, beautiful. Probably you'll have a support of 50, you have a support of 200, and you got an engulf candle. So the two candle reversal. Above this, you can take a trade and you can enjoy this. But currently zero support. If would have this place, I can wait for 1 or 2 days more, and if I'll find something here, 1 or 2 days probably, then probably we can take a call. This is again taken a support as I said. This is taken a support at 200. Here piercing. Here again it's coming. 200 is the best probably if you say that in a it's an average of entire year. So it's gonna take support from here. So but again a formation of candle pattern you can't blindly take a trade at the support level. Some reversal candle or reversal candlestick pattern should be formed. Zeal is best example here. See, this is the previous support which I was talking about. This is the previous pivot. Here you got a doji or a hammer, probably you can take it as, and above hammer you can have a trade here. This place. Again your stop loss is very minimal. Maybe you can keep this or you can keep this also. Very conservative 2%. And first target is this 50 again, which is coming from above, is again will act as a resistance now. So you can have your target before that. Easily you can have 26% from here also. And again, as I said, there will be multiple stop losses will be there. So you're ready to give 2% of stop loss, not an issue. Because many times it happens that this can be a fake kind of a, because we don't see volume in reversal. Reversal, you won't find that kind of volume. So you will have a stop loss. Stop loss hunting will happen, and probably something comes down, and then so in that case you need to remember this level. At least you can keep it like this. If you got a stop loss also, don't remove it. a stock comes again from this level, you can have a buy. Some more example we can take. This already broken, I suppose. Yeah, this is 6%. This is already broken. See this. Carelessly taken support 200, again came back. See, beautiful support. Result bottom. Again moved up. Now taking support at 50. This is 50 support. This hammer is happening, and again this big volume trend. You need to enter this at this price. Opening only. And you have this kind of small stop loss. And then you can enjoy up till previous in high. How do you got charges? Okay. So this is so that was wait for a minute, probably we'll discuss that also. So SJVN also taking support at 50, again at 50 and coming at 50. See if this is not a pattern, probably this is, don't treat this as an engulfing. Engulfing, you should have a bigger candle, bigger red candle, and bigger green candle. Not a tweezer bottom also. Bottom is not same. So you can wait for a day or two and let it form a pattern. It can form here also. It can form 2-3% below also. Again, is a sideways movement between 40 and 60. I want to show you one bottom out stock. Bottom out. Yeah. See, this Kalamandir, Sai Silk Kalamandir is a newly listed stock. So in IPO, yeah, in IPO also you can track this. Huh? In IPO, if IPO goes below their listing price, look for reversal. This is a strong support for, because on the day of listing, these wicks are okay because it's a newly listed stock. So this is a major support, but it broken that also. So be conscious that probably, yeah, this is again bullish Harami. From here you can make an entry, and this below this will be stop loss, minimum stop loss, 2.8, 2%, 2.8%. So like this, I usually have IPO stocks together where I separately stock track IPO. This is again IPO stock. Below there, so again see a beautiful reversal is coming up in this. Result bottom and what we say, dodgy candle also. So tomorrow, if stocks open, sorry, if stocks open this, your stop loss is how much? Stop loss is 0.49%, less than a 1%. So, and target is open up till here. So you can at 20 or 20%, 20% when you can take 50% of your profit, you can book 50% and less 50% at travel. See here, everybody is selling. No one is interested to buy. So this is the way you probably can catch bottom also of a stock. One more is money or IC. Money also at a very good level. Yeah, this here I made an entry, probably this place I made an entry, and from here again stock is again 50% already booked, and now 50% maybe I'll have to book on losses also. So 1:3 is captured. Again, remaining 1% you are ready to give to the market. Now also what happened? Yeah, you can wait for now here. Very near, probably in a day or two, we can have an entry now again at a 40. Little good momentum. Something like This I suppose. This is again at a very good level. Debug. See. This wick is okay, not an issue. You can have a trade with this about this. You can have a stop loss just below this. If it goes above 40, and probably you can have a first target at 50, second target at 200, or maybe the previous single. Now let's go to this Excel I've given this screener. So are you able to see my Excel? Can somebody confirm me over WhatsApp chat? सबको दिख रहा है मेरा Excel? Karthik Babu got still at DV. Instruction ratio. अब भी Excel दिख रहा है? Okay, great. So this Excel I've shared in our group, and I'll reshare also. So there are 4 tabs to this Excel. As I've said, that this candlestick pattern you can take a print out, and you can paste it at your maybe near to your trading desk, or maybe somewhere you have a look from it until you are familiar with this kind of pattern. You can be accustomed with these kind of patterns. First is the screener. Second is this trading view extension. You can click here and download that extension which I was talking about, because these all screeners are in TradeLink. From their TradeLink, you can, if you are charting, you can directly go to TradeLink. Then these indicators which I have said, moving at 10, 50, 200, RSI you can set it at 40 and 60. MACD you need not do any changes. So these are few of the scanners. You can use any scanner, because in charting there are so many scanners. When you type 52-week low, you'll find so many scanners. You go for lowest, maybe all-time low, or maybe double weekly bottom, or RSI. If RSI is below 45, or maybe you can keep it below 25 also. 25 also. You'll find very good stock which are ready to turn around. So from here you can directly go to, I don't know, you're able to see my. So I am now on charting. Charting. Please confirm charting. Charting screen is visible. Okay, great. So many scanners are there. You can use any of the scanner. So we'll take few examples from this scanner also. So these 4 stocks are available from a scanner with the name reversal stock based on moving average. So because of this extension, when I'm okay, when I'm clicking, I can directly that link is opening in my trading view, the same format which we have just prepared. So Gujarat, so fast we can scan it very fast. So this is just below your 200. If it crosses 200, then it's fine. Otherwise, we can leave this. Entry was this, probably we missed. This is a probably open below this and cross 50% of. Yeah, extension is only for Chrome. If you're using MacBook or something else, I think you need to start that is in the extension available there. Because I'm using this Windows, so Chrome extension works better. Fine. So just scan uh, in a weekend. Yeah, this is very good stuff. Probably. Let's see. We formed this kind of bullish harami or bullish cross is there. We just need to see that it's below 250-day moving average. Is this near any support or not? So we can see that here the biggest buying happened. This volume kind of sees that some institutional buying happened at this level, started from this level. So we can keep this as see this level already have some pivot earlier, wherein from here buying came. This is a good level. Probably tomorrow we can have a at the opening we can have this as a what do you say our buying price. And we can keep stop loss at this level because price will come here to test. So we can on a safer side we can get below this also because always on a percentage term we'll just see that. See, this is 2%. A little flexible, I can keep it 2.25 also or 2.5, and I'll wait till this 52 cross. Before that, this is 14%, and which is again 1:6 kind of risk reward. So you can, if you have patience, you can wait till here, or you can keep 1:3. You can keep your take 50% of your profit here, and then you can trade. So exit is again depend on your conviction, probably how much. So you start following this kind of and start at least keep this kind of watch list and then see for yourself. Let's see one more strong. Piramal. Piramal is again at 50. There is no only sideways movement. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है इसमें. Previous support पे भी नहीं है. Leave it. From this another we can go for 52-week low stocks also. There is kind of a 52-week low. BIS जैसे follow होता है. RHI, let's see RHI. See, RHI is again at 50 support. But again, there's no pattern form. One more thing, yeah, you can see this kind of pattern also. See if any this kind of movement came after a this is again a upside mode. If the stock is going down, and then you know that this can be the example, yeah, correct. So if a stock was going down and a gap up opening was there, and if this wick was not there, let's suppose this wick was open equals to low value, ये ऐसा format होता है यहाँ पे, and the stock rallied maybe more than 5-10%. So mark this as a supply demand zone. इसको एक इसका लो और इसका लो करके इसको डिमांड जोन मार्क कर लो. Whenever price come to this place, it's going to have a spike. इससे पहले हो गए here again you find this. So usually what happened, logic behind this is institution don't buy at higher levels. If institution want to buy, they have their own algos and which system is placed. They already make order that if price comes in this range, my order should get executed. If price comes in this range, my order should get executed. This is again a kind of range you can wherein you'll find a gap up and the green candle has a substantial as well as a volume movement. But this is on a higher side. If this would have come at a lower level, then probably we can mark it as this also as demand. Always demand zone is always below your current price, and supply zone should be always above your this price. So you can check these links, probably you can have a look from for yourself. Okay. Our only motive is that we should have some reversal pattern forming at maybe bottom or maybe at these important moving averages for a reversal kind of trade. And if you want to see these two, if this is crossing and if this is also making from a below is crossing 40, or maybe from a, if it's traveling here and it's crossing 60, then you can have a movement in a few days. Otherwise, you need to wait. See here, it's a inverse hammer, inverted hammer, wherein you can have a, yeah, you can wait if the price doesn't come on the second day, you can wait for next day also. If it crosses this level, only then you need to buy. इसमें अगर क्रॉस नहीं हुआ है तो you should not buy. Next day if it crosses, you can buy here. So this is your buying area. You can wait a day or maybe next day you can, if the price comes to at that level, you can buy. So everything is being shared. So this scan has been shared, trading view extension is shared, candlestick pattern has been shared, and these indicator setting has been shared in this Excel. What I'll do is probably I'll re-share it once in the group if you want to have, or if you have logged in through your desktop or maybe laptop, you would have done along with me. That would be a better option. So here I rest, probably I'll stop sharing, and that's it. Yeah, please. Nani, question. Yeah, Mr. Suleiman. Mr. Daud Suleiman. Ravinji Singh, will you please show moving average indicator? Yeah, okay. See, indicator is not that you can have any simple moving average. These I have indicator kept because I want to have these three indicator moving average a single indicator. That's the only, you can have three moving average and you can have a setting like that also. So Rahulji, that indicator link is already there in that Excel I have shared. You just need to go to a link and give, I think, your maybe Google login, and then you're good to go. Yeah, Mr. Dutt.
Yeah, can we add 21 DMA?
Again, you can test 21 DMA. And I usually trade on SMA only. I don't use EMA or maybe any of the. I don't complicate that much. I usually go with simple moving average.
21-day SMA,
Pardon?
can we add 21-day SMA also?
No, 20 or no. Basically, 50 and 100 works better as a support because 50 is as good as your 3 month price and 200 is as good as your a year price. That's the only logic.
Okay,
You
thank you.
can check yourself for your EMA if you're following any of the EMA. You can check it yourself that usually price because every quarter there is maybe what to say concurrent report is coming. So price movement takes place every quarter or maybe a year because price moves in a swing. It goes up and goes down. So that swing can be of 3 months, can be of a year. Anyone else? Please raise your hand so I can unmute you. This is not a group probably. Yeah, Mr. VMM, this is a trading you paid. But mine is paid, but you can use three indicator without paying anything. So we have kept only three indicators, which is MACD and your RSI and moving average. Any of the moving average repeat or maybe you have a multiple moving average you will find. So there are only three indicators that can be used in a free version also. Actually, first time I conducted any session on this setup, so I was also not much familiar. So this kind of maybe, yeah, Mr. Bab. I was also familiar. So this kind of, your voice is breaking, Mr. Bab. I'm not able to understand. Yeah, Mr. Bab. I was also familiar. So this kind of. So your voice is echoing. Have you logged in from two systems? Sorry, sorry, sir. I'm not able to hear anything from your side. To clarify your question, best indicator according to you from your experience. See, there actually someone has asked the best indicator according to you. Indicator, as I said, that all indicators are lagging. Will give you sign later only. So if you know candlestick pattern and if you know the areas where this pattern forms, so you will be much ahead than indicator probably able to find. And indicator, if you want to have any, what to the best of my knowledge, if any future indicators just then only like what you say, like, what's it? Well, usually won't use indicator. I mean, fib retracement gives indicator in advance, which I know that probably majority of these also institutional player are also using. So fib retracement, where you can predict in advance at least, but rest all indicators usually give when movement is happening. और कोई क्वेश्चन किसी का एनीवन? ये ये अपने हेल्पफुल इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हम लोग अगर ये एडिशनल साइज सीख के रखेंगे तो जब भी मान लो मार्केट रिवर्स होगा तो विल बी फर्स्ट टू एंटर। ब्रेकआउट एंड वो सब में सीखा है कि भाई ब्रेकआउट रेट करते हैं, पैटर्न हमने सीखे हैं कि ये पैटर्न फॉर्म होता है तो हम लोग करते हैं। बट ये हमको एक एडिशनल प्ले रहेगा जब भी मार्केट टर्न होगा नीचे से तो वी कैन टेक एडवांटेज। व्हाट इज द विनिंग रेशियो विद दिस सेटअप? सर आई कांट कमेंट ऑन विनिंग रेशियो। मेरा अलग रहेगा, आपका अलग रहेगा। आप करेंगे तो ऐसे ओवर अ पीरियड आपको जब भी कैंडलस्टिक समझ में आ जाएगा अच्छी तरह तो आपका विनिंग रेशियो बढ़ जाएगा। स्टार्टिंग में इट विल हैव अ बिट ऑफ, आई सेड दैट मल्टीपल स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी देयर, बट स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी ऑन मिनिमम साइड। 2% 2.5% का स्टॉप लॉस होगा एंड प्रॉब्ली यू कैन हैव अ गुड वे फॉरवर्ड। I am following it from quite some time, but I'm not following this alone. So I don't know my actual accuracy on this because I'm that lazy that I'm not maintaining journal also. I'm not sure that which of my maybe is giving me better result. I should probably do because I do all kinds of maybe I do breakup also. I do uh, patterns also. I do this reversal also. So my setup is that probably on a weekend I'll sit and I'll make a list, what list probably I'll use many screeners and probably prepare a watch list. And out of that I'll go for at least 4 or 5 best quality trades. And then I'll put my money into it. As I'm doing it full time, then probably I can devote that much time. I'm already on screen only. Okay, Bhupendra ji, I think no more questions coming up. Yeah, Karthik ji, I trade with multiple setup, multiple strategy. I don't do intraday, but yeah, multiple strategy for swing and positional also, and some into investment also. So I do different strategies because after I retired, actually, 1 1 2.5 years I've given to learning only. So first I gone to many strategies and just want to have that what suits me better because uh, it should suit your psychology and your time to market. Suppose if you are an employee or maybe job paying professional, so your strategy would be different than mine. So I can devote time so I can work on multiple strategies. ठीक है बोध already I think we cross 5:15 is there. Any words from your side? It's fine. ठीक हुआ कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए अपने भी इसमें मेरे ख्याल से मेरे को बेटर आगे अब चाहिए सब एडजस्ट करना Okay, guys, have a great weekend. Let's close it here. All the best. See you later. Bye. Yeah, thanks so much.